feel what he put you through. Oh, so pick up your guilt, pick up your lies, pick up the weight you left inside. I'm not the place you come to hide. You can't creep that earth. Pick up your silence, pick up your pride, pick up the nights you chose to slide. I'm done explaining why I cried. You can't keep that earth. Oh, I heal too hard to hold you back. You can't keep that alone. You call me strong, but drain my spirit. My spirit. Got my light, but dim the room. You watch me bleed and called it patience, while I was fighting just to move. I was faithful to the future. You were faithful to your fear. I kept building something sacred. You kept